Hi, this is Jason with CowTech, showing you how to install the fix kit for the off-grid doors. I already have the circuit board removed and the back panel loosened. You can look at our other video on installing the off-grid kit into a door to see how to get to this point. I'll slide that down and take your circuit board and flip it over and just pull the battery plug out. You're going to need a small screwdriver, and you can take the wires out of the plug. Be careful not to touch the battery wires to each other, or they will spark and melt the end of the wire. You're going to remove the battery, just pull it out, and the fix kit should come with a new battery. Just pull these terminals off the battery, off the old battery, put them on the new battery. We would recommend during this process keeping one or both of these terminals disconnected and installing the battery last. That way you don't have to worry about accidentally shorting your wires out if they touch each other. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect these now. The fix kit has this little gray box on one side, and you're going to want to line up red to red and black to black, and you can just insert the red wire in till you feel it stop and flick that down. And same thing with the black. We're basically just putting this voltage regulator in line, like that down, between the solar panel and the battery. Now, we've got our little green plug that we used before. We're going to twist the two black wires together. They're going to go in the right-hand side of this plug. And we'll tighten them down. Then we'll twist our red wires together. They'll go on the left-hand side of the plug. Tighten that down. We can plug this back into our board. Take our new battery, plug our new battery terminals in. Battery should press in there neatly. Then we can slide the back of the door up and reassemble it in reverse order of the way it was assembled.